there were no rainforests, would there still be clean water? Where would the animals stay?
What would our world become?
With the Costa Rica rainforest originally from being 90% forested, it is only 35% forested today. The alarming decrease is caused by many reasons, which is mainly due to the expansion of agriculture and cattle ranching, illegal tree felling, and the excessive exploitation of the rainforest. For example, all the banana plantations in the ultra-diverse lowland forest, which covers 130,000 acres of land, was previously the Costa Rica forest. Since the 1950s, 60% of the rainforest had been cleared to make room for cattle ranching, and the excessive exploitation of the rainforest means that a large area of land will be cleared for just one or two species of trees. Now, isn't that a waste?
For starters, selective logging can be implemented in Costa Rica. This is where laws will be made and illegal loggers or those without permits will be fined or prosecuted. Another example of selective logging would be the practice selective cutting, where only trees which meet certain standards such as minimum trunk circumferences or the number of trees felled per hectare will be cut down. This reduces the number of trees felled, which will then decrease the rate of deforestation.
This method is essentially effective in not only reducing the rate of deforestation, it lowers the chance of soil erosion. Selective cutting allows trees to grow to the mature and commercial size. This would reduce the loss of immature trees. This method slows the pace of deforestation due to felling, giving more time for the rainforest to be restored naturally. Costa Rica rainforest provides many families with a source of income. Selective logging doesn't make the rainforest completely off-limit, which could cripple many depending on it.
However, no method is flawless and selective logging is no exception. Police enforcement will be needed to make sure that these new laws would be carried out. Even though logging would then be controlled and reduced, the negative impacts of deforestation such as the loss of nutrients from the soil, surrounding trees getting affected by just the felling of one single tree, and the parts of the heavy machinery knocking against other trees unintentionally in the cramped area would still occur. Not only that, profits may also decrease as fewer trees are allowed to be cut. This is important because Costa Rica earns most of its profit from logging, and thus will affect Costa Rica's economical situation. Though it may not be much, it is a start.
So, what can you do?
The government can manage forest areas and group them according to the goals such as protection, production, public recreation, so on and so forth.
The government can also initiate discussions with the people involved as well as impose the laws on the criteria of tree cutting and tree plantings.
And it gets simpler.
The people will only have to abide by the new laws imposed and participate actively in conserving the environment.
Its future is in your hands!